her mother, and me.
Joe, will you take Crystal, choosing her alone to be your lawfully wedded wife? Will you live with her in the state of matrimony? Will you love her and comfort her through good times and bad, in sickness and in health, honoring her at all times?
I will.
Crystal, will you take Joe, choosing him alone to be your lawfully wedded husband? Will you live with him in the state of matrimony? Will you love him and comfort him through good times and bad, in sickness and in health, honoring him at all times?
I will.
Crystal, I give you this ring as a symbol of my love.
And I'm choosing to share life's journey with you.
I give you this ring
I give you this ring with the pledge to love you.
with the pledge to love you today, tomorrow, and always and forever.
And by the authority vested in me by the state of Florida, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm proud to present for the first time the newlyweds, Joe and Crystal Wilker.